and see the sights of Alaska. So we top off the tanks and we fly for about 5 hours. And I take them down to the coast, the Gulf of Alaska. And there's a national monument down there called Katmai. It's full of volcanoes. There's over 100 volcanoes in this area, and many of them are active. There's one that I land in. We're probably the only people that have ever been here, this spot. In the last 3 years, I've only been here 3 times, and I've never gotten out of the airplane. I've just landed and taken off. This used to be a volcano. It was probably 5,000 feet higher than we're standing right now. It just blew its top, and over the eons, it's building with water. Nothing lives here. It's a completely sterile environment. There's no fish, no mammals. There's a few birds that fly over, but nothing lives here. It's like another planet. How many people get to land inside of a volcano? How many people get to fly over a glacier at 15 feet from the ice and really see the ice, really see what a glacier is like, or to see brown bears up close? These are some of the experiences that are lifetime experiences. They come here for 1 week and they go away with a lifetime of experiences.
There is limitless adventure in Alaska outdoors.